Hello and welcome to my channel. Elegance makes life healthy and beautiful. New technologies such as internet have drastically changed our method of communication. We are netizens. We spend a vast amount of time on internet. The range of mobile users is wide. School students to teenagers, adults to senior citizens are use internet on their smartphones. In this era, we must aware of cyber threats on our PC as well as on our smartphones. For this reason, mobile security app is necessary for our mobile phones. Mobile phones are very sensitive. It contains our personal documents and photos. Mobile security software prevent the mobile scam and keep your personal data private and safe. Here I am telling you best 6 mobile security app and antivirus. Avast. Avast is the most popular antivirus for your Android phone. This app offers automatic scan of the content of your device and memory card. It has also app analyzing option. Avast analyze the app before download, whether the app is at risk with its malicious data or not. Call blocking and filtering option helps you to limit your unwanted calls. Avast have the feature like phone lock and data wipe. This app can you download from Google Play Store. Avast has the both free and premium version. Premium version costs $24 and $40 per year, but free version gives you almost all of the features. Norton Mobile Security. Norton is a award-winning mobile security app. It gives proactive protection for smartphones and tablets. Norton gives you an alert when you download a free app from Google Play Store. The app advisor of Norton tells you about malware, privacy and other risks on downloading that free app. You can back up your contacts if contacts are deleted accidentally or if you want to transfer them to a new device. Nowadays, we all use internet in our smartphones and tablets, but mobile scams are a biggest threats than ever. With Norton, you can keep your personal information private by remotely locating a lost or stolen mobile device through their website. Norton costs $29.99 per year. It secures your Android, iPads, and iPhones with a single subscription. There is a free trial of the premium version for 30 days, which gives you to access all the features of Norton mobile security app. Bitdefender antivirus software. Bitdefender gives your Android mobile device total protection from antivirus. Recently, Bitdefender added new feature. With this feature, you can get to see whether your email account details have been leaked or not. Its anti-theft module provides option to remotely locate, lock, wipe, or send a message to the Android device. Your phone will snap a mugshot of any person who tries to tamper with your phone in your absence and send it to Bitdefender Central. Other newest feature like app lock, pin timeout, fingerprint sensor support, smart unlock make the app best Android security product of the year 2015 and 2016. Bitdefender security for Android uses the Bitdefender cloud service to alert users when browsing about web page that contains malware, phishing, or fraudulent content. It also makes sure that your Android device stays clean by automatically scanning any application immediately after its install. According to March 2017 AV test, Bitdefender Mobile Security detect 100%. Its cost $15 per year. AV Test. AV Test is an independent organization which evaluates and rates antivirus and security software for Microsoft Windows and Android operating systems according to a variety of criteria. They publish their result every other month and award their certification. Lookout is another super security solution for your Android phones and tablets. It gives a mobile first and cloud first approach that secures your mobile data from malicious attack. This app has the ability to scan your apps and websites to prevent your phone being infected with virus or having any personal information stolen. Lookout has the feature anti-theft that backs up all your data on secure server and also has tracking feature that locate your phone on map. It also has a free version which gives only app security and phone locating feature. Lookout Premium costs around $30 per year. It has these features: Beach Report, Privacy Advisor, Safe Browsing, Safe Wi-Fi, Anti-Theft Protection. Lookout has Premium Plus security feature and tools, which costs $99.99 per year. This gives identity restoration and insurance and identity theft protection. MCAFE Mobile Security. MCAFE wins Silver Award Info.Security USA February 2017 and AV-Test certify its Android security. It guards against viruses, spyware and malicious websites. It protects users on social media. Its other feature, Lock and Wipe, prevents misuse of your personal data. It takes a snapshot of the person holding your lost device with capture cam that make you stress free. Another handy feature of MCAFE boost your phone with battery optimizer. MCAFE premium cost $30 or $80 per year. Kaspersky Internet Security. Kaspersky's powerful mobile antivirus blocks malware and dangerous links. It filters unwanted calls and texts on your device. If your device had lost its remote tool, keep your personal data secure. Kaspersky has both free and premium version. Free version offers mobile security, manual scan for malware, data protection if your device is lost or stolen, Android Wear and simplicity feature. And premium version offers automatic scan, anti-phishing, call and text filtering and confidentiality option along with free features. Premium costs $20 per year. You will get a 30-day free trial on downloading the app. Your phone and tablet can be as vulnerable as your PC. That's why when you are surfing or socializing, you need to protect your mobile life. Mobile security systems are keep your Android phones safe from malwares. Mobile device security is the must-have options for your smartphones and tablets. So, which one is the best mobile security app for your device or your Android? Please share with us. Here I am giving you a comparison chart of these 6 mobile antiviruses. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos. I will be coming back with my next video very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.